We will discuss regarding the functional interfaces. The functional interface is basically the interface which is having only one abstract method. Abstract method means that method is having only signature but not body. Actually, the we have to provide implementation for that. But the functional interfaces, like as per the changes in the Java 8 actually, so the functional interfaces must have only one abstract method, but the static and default methods are also introduced in Java 8. So functional interfaces can have any number of static and default methods, like as you can see. If you as you can see, um, just 1 minute. Like here, predicate is the marked as a functional interface, means it will only have one abstract method. We have to provide implementation for that. So here test is the abstract method, and as per the Java 8 changes, now the predicate, this is the functional interface. It can have any number of default or the static methods. So we will check that. Yes. So here we are having default methods as well and the static methods as well in this interface, but only one abstract method, that is the Boolean test. Similarly, the runnable, like which we used for the creation of the thread, so that interface is also functional interface, and that is having only one abstract method, that is the run. So this is about the functional interfaces, and actually we can we can use the lambda expression to implement the functional interfaces. So we will try to implement the runnable interface using the lambda expression. We will take our main method. So in the runnable, actually, we are having the run method, which we need to implement, and that is having means that is without parameter. So we can provide implementation for that using the lambda expression. For now, we will do. Okay, just 1 minute. What we will do, we will print the thread name. So using the lambda expression, actually earlier, actually what how we have to implement the this interface, actually we have to create one separate class, and we have to implement the runnable. After that, we have to create the instance of this runnable and provide to the constructor of the thread. So using the lambda 8, actually that is very simple. So just this is the implementation for that run method. For this run method, actually this is the implementation using the lambda expression. The very first one is the argument list of that method. So actually the run method is not accepting any parameter. So here we have used the empty parenthesis, and this is the arrow mark is the lambda expression, lambda expression sign, and this in the opening and closing braces we are providing the implementation. So this is the equivalent implementation as we provided earlier, and this is the this is the functional interface runnable. So now we will check, we will try to create the thread. So thread is equal to new thread. We have provided the runnable, And what we will do, we will also take this message. Let me large this. Okay, control V, system dot out dot println. Okay, so what we will do, this is from runnable, this is from the printing thread. Okay, is printing from. Okay, so very first we have provided the implementation for the functional interface, that is the runnable, and then we have tried, we have assigned, we have passed this runnable to the thread constructor. We have started the thread, and after that we just printed one message. Okay, so we will check the response. Okay, so here actually, when we started this actually, so this part will be the part of the execution of the another stack, and the next statements, like after the start, that are the part of the current stack, that is the main stack. So here, so here the thread 0. So here our this is the part of the thread 0 thread. Once we started this thread actually, so the thread 0 is executing this, and this part is executed by the main thread. Like the same way actually, just 1 minute. Like the same way we can provide the implementation for the predicate, so we will check that. We will take one parameter as a string. We have to provide the implementation for the test. So here predicate, string of predicate. What we will check, we will take one, we will receive one parameter as a parameter, and we will check if that value is matching with that, with the data which we want. If that is matched, then that will return correct, else it will return false. So here we have received something string, and what we did actually, we compared that with equal ignore case. Okay, so that is the implementation for the predicate, and we will test that predicate dot test. We will pass. Okay, so here what we did actually, we have provided the implementation for the predicate, and we are calling the test method and passing the test as a string. So what it is, Nick, now how it is getting executed. So we are passing this test string, and now what we are doing, we are checking that if that is matching with the Kapil. If that is matching, then it will return true, else it will return false. So next time what we will do, we will pass the Kapil as argument. Okay, so in this case actually we have written the value as a true. So that is about the functional interfaces, like what are the functional interfaces. and how we can provide the implementation for that. So runnable is also the functional interface that is having only one abstract method. So actually by using the lambda expression, we have provided the implementation for that. And second one is the predicate. So that is also having one abstract method, and we have what we did actually, we have provided using the lambda expression the implementation for that. So I hope that is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching.